Welcome to Fisher-O Harbour. It's the 20th of May 2023 and today is Fisher-O Harbour Festival Day. And this year the festival is bigger than ever before. We've got two stages, one for the live rock bands and another stage for the other entertainers. As always, there are food trucks, including Sizzler's Burger Van, of course, and the Churros Van. We've got shops, we've got stalls, we've got activities on the water, and we've got activities on the side. This is going to be a fantastic afternoon, and I'm really excited about Fisher-O Harbour Festival 2023. So let's go and have a look round. Well, this year it's been my pleasure to be part of the committee which organised the festival. And you know what? We're absolutely delighted with the turnout so far. We're less than an hour into the festival and it's absolutely mobbed with people. People from the local community, people from further afield, all enjoying the activities on the water and on the harbour side. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful May afternoon. So here we go. It's going to get a little bit loud in a moment with that East Coast FM van. Here we go. Here's the Churros van. It's sugar overload in there. They've got donuts, they've got Belgian waffles, they've got pancakes, and of course, they've got churros, all covered in sugar, all covered in syrup or maple syrup. Absolute carb overload. Trampolines for the kids, and if you're a big kid like me, well, there's an East Coast bus to be explored. Did you ever want to be a bus driver? I think I was more into fire engines than buses, to be honest. We do have some emergency vehicles as well. Behind me is the Coast Guard van. There was a fire engine as well, but that's just gone out on a shout. And of course, the Fisher-O Harbour Festival wouldn't be complete without the Tombola stand. A good old-fashioned printed programme. Great opportunity for local craftspeople to sell their wares in these stalls. This is Aaron's soap box. Smells amazing. And this is Clara Bunda. Look at these fabulous, colourful fabrics. This is absolutely gorgeous as well. Here we are at the Electric Soundstage. This is just like being at a rock festival. Look at this.
Low rider, everybody know.
The atmosphere here at the bandstand is absolutely electric. Later on this afternoon, we have a band called Who's Better, Who's Best. I wonder who they are a cover group for. Oh, I do like a play on words. This Slice Girls pizza van is proving to be very popular today, queuing for miles because the pizzas are that good. Look at my little friend, it's Chewbacca. And you guys, you always get hit by the laser beams, don't you? You always get shot. Tusken Raider. This is for you, Pascal. Just look at these Harley Davidsons. I was over the other side of the harbour when these Harley Davidsons arrived earlier, but I could hear them. It sounded like thunder. But we're going to wait for them to leave and hopefully we'll hear the sound of thunder again.
Somewhere about here. We're going to blow it in.
It's not all about rock music. On the smaller stage here, on the harbour side, we've got the ukulele band, and before that, there was a magician. Look at Sizzlers doing an absolutely roaring trade today. I took the precaution of having my burger a lot earlier today before the festival kicked off. They are delicious, you know. Everybody's lining up just here on the beach to watch the raft race. New for the Harbour Festival in 2023, the raft race is going to be very, very exciting. They're out in the boat at the moment putting out the markers for the raft race. So basically, they've got to go out there around the buoys and around the other marker, and the first one back to the shore wins. I really wonder how seaworthy some of these rafts actually are. I wonder whether we're going to see multiple sinkings.
Good luck. Oh, good clean race, you two. Good clean race.
What on it?
Lion stop.
Hey, we'll back paddle a wee bit. You're fine. Keep going. Go on. Keep on, keep on. Keep on. I'm done. There you go. Just put it down, put it down, put it down. Have a stretch.
Is it not the best of three? Well done, out for you.
Well done, guys.
Oh, well, the afternoon's absolutely flown by, and I've just walked all the way out to the edge of the harbour just to get a breather. In the background, I can hear that Who's Better, Who's Best has just opened up their set. So I'll have a quick breather and then I'll wander around and take in this Who gig. You know, it's heading towards 4:30 now, and it's still really busy over there with all those people converging on the electric soundstage. Let's go.
Pictures of living, my life so wonderful. Lily, oh Lily, I never knew things were quite so fine. I fell in love with Lily. She's been dead since 1929. Pictures of Lily, my life so wonderful. Miles and 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 miles.
I think they're already getting some practice in for next year. Perhaps they think they need it. Who's Better, Who's Best? Just playing Pinball Wizard there in the background. Wow, what a fantastic and hugely successful afternoon we've had here at the Fisher O Harbour Festival 2023. I was looking around and obviously I couldn't count exactly, but I reckon at one point we must have had about between 3,000 and 4,000 people down here at Fisher O Harbour this afternoon. What a fantastic turnout. Okay, the sun wasn't out, the skies weren't blue, but it's been a lovely warm day and everybody's had a great time. Fabulous entertainment, great food, that raft race was great fun. And do you know what? Next year, the Fisher O Harbour Festival can only get bigger. I can imagine that it will expand over to the other side of the harbour and along the beach. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Rog Vlog. If you enjoyed the video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until the next video, remember, there's always something to see, so get out there and find it.